Welcome to the Tax Career Launch program, designed to help you build practical Australian tax capability across individual, sole trader, and property taxation. This program gives you structured exposure to real public practice workflows, helping you transition from theory to practical, workplace-ready tax skills. The program is available in multiple study formats, including self-paced learning, live instructor-led sessions, and Melbourne on-site training options. The Tax Career Launch program focuses on practical tax preparation skills aligned with Australian public practice standards. Rather than just learning theory, you will develop hands-on capability that you can apply directly in a real tax environment. Throughout the program, you will learn how to prepare a complete individual tax return in Australia, work with Australian Taxation Office, pre-fill data, and prepare tax returns using Xero Practice Manager. You will also learn how to apply capital gains tax rules to real property transactions,